All right, here's the elevator at PlazAmericas. I wonder, is this thing fixed? Oh, it's not under level like it was before. And there's music, so I'm gonna have to try to noise over it. Anyways, here we go. They fixed it, yay! I'm finally able to get a good video of this elevator. This thing was broken down the last time I came here. Here's your cab view. I'm so glad this elevator's finally working. I'm not going to take too much rides because I don't want to be harassed by security. This is not College Station, and I do not want to cause any problems. So, anyways, there it goes, and that is going to be it.